Hi, my name is Trip Funderburk, and I'm the manager of the Reef Renewal Curaçao project. And we are growing and restoring endangered corals back to Curaçao's reefs. Wow, we're so fortunate here. Curaçao has the healthiest reefs in the Caribbean. When I first got here and saw such incredible coral cover and such diversity of fish, I cried in my mask. We don't know how lucky we are here in Curaçao to have these, the best reefs in the Caribbean. So coral reefs are 0.1% of the ocean, but 25% of all marine life spends part of their life cycle on coral reefs. So they're vital to the health of the ocean. In the Caribbean, we've had 2 diseases which have degraded the quality of our coral reefs. We're not immune, and we've lost half our coral reefs in the last 40 years, so we need to protect them. Reef Renewal is a nonprofit organization. We are trying to conserve, grow, and outplant endangered corals back onto the reef. We started in 2015 with 400 small coral fragments, and we've turned that into 14,000 corals that we've outplanted back onto the reef. So we all need to know that the corals are animals, they're alive. So we don't want to step on them or drop a boat anchor on them. We need to be careful around coral reef areas. We also want to limit catching the fish that live on the reef. We can catch the tuna and the wahoo that are caught sustainably, but avoid eating the parrotfish and other reef fish. And we all need to do our part to address climate change. If the ocean keeps getting hotter, it's going to be very difficult for coral reefs to survive in the future. We love doing this work, but it requires resources. So we would love more volunteers. We would love more donations. Every bit helps, and we would love to teach you about coral conservation. So please come dive with us at Ocean Encounters or Goby Divers or Scuba Sal, and we'll teach you how to grow and restore coral reefs.